Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping almost 6% right now, 5.80%. So what's the deal with this? I mean, do we have any hope of going up? Let's do our complete multiple time frame analysis on it right now. Again, this Tuesday, it's the first day of the week, right? So we have a lot of stuff to talk about. In Tesla, we have some key points to watch. First, it is important to understand that Tesla is in a bear trend. Short-term speaking, since February 17. Mid-term speaking, since February 16. However, in the long term, we are still in a bull trend. And we're going to talk about that later. For now, in the 1 hour chart, for the short term, we see that Tesla is dropping sharply. We do not have any bullish reaction at all. But if we see one, if we are about to see a bullish reaction, right now is the best moment for us to see one. Okay, because the support level at $814, this blue line down here, is a quite important support level. If we lose this blue line, then the red line at $792 is going to be our next support level to work with. We are going to drop below the 800s. This is not necessarily bad, but this is not necessarily good as well. What is important for us to understand is that if Tesla reacts near its support levels, it's going to be just an incredible opportunity to buy with a very good risk-reward ratio, in my humble opinion. I do not believe it is time to sell Tesla right now. I mean, are you going to sell right now after the market dropped sharply, after we see a lot of tension between Russia, Ukraine, and the Western civilization, and etc.? After we see all of this, do you believe right now is the good time to sell near support levels? Right now it is way too late. And if are you looking for an opportunity, I would just advise you to look an opportunity to buy. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy, just a trader sharing my thoughts on Tesla. And this is how I see the situation, okay? This is my situation as well. If you want to add positions in Tesla, if you're out of Tesla right now, man, that's a good idea to start buying near support levels. If we look in the 1 hour chart, the red line over here at $792 is the same red line seen in the daily chart over here. It is extremely important for Tesla to react near this red line, because if we lose it, if we lose this red line, we are going to retest the purple trend line down here, which is the next support level. And this is going to make Tesla drop almost more than $100 from here. So we have to be extremely careful around this red line. This is why I'm telling you guys, if Tesla holds around here, around this support area, the risk-reward ratio is going to be very good for long trades, and probably it's going to be a very nice opportunity to buy. It's worth the exposure, because if you're aiming in the short term, if you want to hold Tesla for just a few days or even a few weeks, your target would be this breakaway gap, $920. Right now, I can tell you guys, Tesla always fills the gaps that appear above their price. Okay, since this is a runaway gap which appeared above the price over here, Tesla is going to fill it. Okay, Tesla filled 100% of its gaps that appeared above the price. This is not necessarily true for gaps that appear under the price. We still have gaps over here, for instance, okay, at $227. I do not believe Tesla is going to fill these gaps again, okay, ever. However, the gaps that appear above the price, they all got filled so far, okay? Especially this one at 1208. My oldest subscribers will remember my bullish thesis that I started to build over here, aiming at the 1208. Tesla millimetrically filled this gap over here at 1208, and it dropped. So I think this is the best example, the best recent example we can offer to you in Tesla. So this is why I'm telling you guys, I do believe we're going to fill the gap. I do believe we're going to retest $920 again. However, we must wait for a proper bullish reaction to occur. All right, right now we do not have any bullish reaction, so let's wait for a better signal. What would be a clear bullish reaction in your opinion, Nathan? Well, for instance, if Tesla does this, a bullish pivot point, probably it's going to reverse the trend in the short midterm. Probably it's going to fill this gap. If it does a double bottom short pattern, or even a triple bottom short pattern over here, if we see any meaningful bottom sign over here indicating that the bears are exhausted indeed, I believe it's going to be a very good and nice buy sign in Tesla. And if you are still watching this and you are not my subscriber already, well, I think it is about time for you to subscribe. So remember to subscribe at this channel and remember to click on the like button to support this channel. Of course, your support is highly appreciated, my friend. Thank you very much. And I would advise you to subscribe at my newsletter. Check my trading newsletter. Last week we did beat the market again. The market dropped a lot, more than 1.5%, and we only had a small drop of 0.57%. So again, we are still beating the market. Subscribe to my newsletter. If you want to check the previous results, click here. You're going to be redirected to my public document, and you can access all of our previous trades, all of our previous performance. See, this is last week's performance. The week 8 is going on right now, so if you don't want to miss our stocks, well, subscribe at our trading newsletter. So now let's continue our analysis here on Tesla. Okay, we already mentioned it, the 1 hour and the daily chart. What's up with the weekly chart? Because the weekly chart seems problematic. I mean, we are losing this purple trend line for good right now, am I right? Well, that's not necessarily true. Here on January 24, 2022, Tesla also dropped below this purple trend line. What is important is how Tesla is going to close this week. I do not believe it's going to be a good sign if Tesla closes under this purple trend line, okay? It's not going to be a good sign. So this is why I'm telling you guys, Tesla must react quickly near the support level over here, okay? It must react by Wednesday, I believe. So if Tesla does that, it's going to maintain the bullish bias seen in the weekly chart, no harm over here, and we are going to probably close above the purple trend line again, probably doing a very nice bottom sign in the weekly chart near a very strong support level, indicating a false breakout, a great opportunity to buy in my humble opinion. Okay, so this is why I'm going to stick with my bullish thesis that we should wait for a bullish sign in Tesla to buy. I do not advise selling Tesla over here. This is crazy. The time to sell Tesla was here. Right now, it's not the time at all. Right now, it's the time to just take advantage of the panic around the market and try to find a very nice buy opportunity for us in smaller time frames like the 1 hour chart, daily chart, looking at the weekly chart as our main guide because the long-term trend is still bullish. Okay, so this week is going to be decisive. I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis in this channel. So again, remember to subscribe to this channel, my friends. Thank you very much for your support. Stay safe. Farewell. Bye-bye.